Hello everyone, I am Sandhya Onkar Ahire, Assistant Professor in Department of ENTC at AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today, I am going to explain basics of hydraulic system. Before knowing the basics of hydraulic power system, let us try to understand the fluid power system. Fluid power is the technology that deals with the generation, control, and transmission of the forces and movement of mechanical element or system with the use of pressurized fluids in confined system. In industry, we use three methods for transmitting power from one to another. Mechanical transmission is through shaft, gears, chains, belts, etc. Electrical transmission is done through wires, transformer, etc. Fluid power is through liquid or gas in confined space. Definition of fluid power system. It is use of confined fluid flowing under pressure to transmit the power from one location to the another. It is one of the three commonly used methods of transmitting power in industrial setting. Two of the most important advantages of fluid power transmissions are its ability to multiply the force and its flexibility to change the direction quickly without damage to the system. Let us try to see the basic components of hydraulic system. Before trying to get the knowledge of working mechanism, there are 6 basic components required for hydraulic systems. Reservoir to hold the liquid, usually hydraulic oil. Filters to remove the solid particles, foreign particles from the hydraulic oil. Pump to force the liquid through the system. An electric motor or other power sources to drive the pump. Pressure regulator and direction control valve. These valves to control the liquid direction, pressure and fluid flow rate. Actuator to convert the energy of the liquid into the mechanical force. Piping to convey the liquids from one location to the another. Let us try to understand the working mechanism of hydraulic circuit. The hydraulic actuator is the device used to convert the fluid power into the mechanical power to do the useful work. The actuator may be the linear type like hydraulic cylinders or rotary type hydraulic motors to provide the linear or rotary motions respectively. The hydraulic pump is used to force the fluid from reservoir to the rest of hydraulic circuit by converting mechanical energy into the hydraulic energy. Valves are used to control the direction, pressure and flow rate of fluid flowing through the circuit. External power supply is required to drive the pump. Reservoir is used to hold the hydraulic liquid, usually hydraulic oil. Piping system carries the hydraulic oil from one place to another. Filters are used to remove any foreign particles so as to keep the fluid system clean and efficient, as well as it avoid the damage to the actuator and the valves. Pressure regulator regulates or maintains the required level of pressure in the hydraulic fluid. Advantage of hydraulic system: large load capacity with almost high accuracy and precision, smooth movement, automatic lubricating provision to reduce the wear and tear, division and distribution of hydraulic force are easily performed, limiting and balancing of hydraulic forces are easily performed. Disadvantage of hydraulic system: a hydraulic element needs to be machined to the high degree of precision. Leakage of hydraulic oil pose a problem to the hydraulic operators. Special treatment is needed to protect them from the rust, corrosion and dirt, etc. Hydraulic oil may pose problems if It disintegrates due to the aging and chemical deterioration. Hydraulic oils are messy and almost highly flammable. Let us see the application of hydraulic systems, mostly in the commercial vehicles, automobile power steering and the brake, aircraft landing gears, lift trucks, front end loaders, bridge maintenance. Thank you.